Okay guys, I just want to show you a quick trick that I've learned over the years to restore black plastics back to new. Here I've got an air box and you can see it's really aged and washed out all in here. And the rim over here, the Comstar wheel has these plastic inserts and they're all kind of washed out. So basically, if you just take a heat gun, I've got a regular heat gun here. You could use a hairdryer if you wanted to. But basically, you just want to warm the surface that you want to turn back to black. And I've dubbed this the sunburn, because you're basically just heating the surface of the plastic to the point where it changes color. You can see it right in front of your eyes. And it's not destroying the plastic or ruining it. It just basically changes the color because you're melting the very surface of the plastic and it melts back into itself. So all that white just kind of washes away. And this works, on any black plastic that you have, and you can just see how quick look at that, the white just goes away. Okay, and this is a permanent fix. Once you've done this, it's not going to discolor again for quite some time. So rather than go out and spend money on these chemicals like Wipe New or Back to Black or anything like that, you can just do this and make your black plastics look like new again. You can see how quickly it works. And again, not ruining anything, just renewing the finish. So there, the white discoloration is pretty much gone. I just flipped it around. I'm going to do the other side just for the sake of getting all of the white out. Look at that, just washes away. Look at that. Okay. So if you have plastic bumpers or any kind of plastic parts at all and you want to renew or restore them, this is really the way to go. It's cheap, it's effective, and it does a great job. The whole bottom is really washed out, and I'll just hit some of this so you can really see what happens here. Okay, we'll just warm this, and you can watch it kind of transform from that washed out white into a nice lush black.
Look at that, right in front of our eyes. You can see it turn back to black.
All right, look at that. All nice and black. Compare that to the bottom, which is all washed out and white. And you can see it didn't do anything to the surface. It didn't totally melt it. It just basically, as I call it, sunburned it. So I hope this is a trick that you found interesting and hopefully useful in the future. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something. And if you did, please smash the like button and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot.